What's up guys, Jared here with Staying Tall Auto Reviews, and today I'm bringing you guys another video of my personal Hyundai Genesis. It's a user request, and one of my last videos on the car, they asked if I can get some pulls of it, so I figured I'd do that today. I'll take you guys on another ride along, and also we may go Hot Wheels hunting. We'll see though, we'll see. But my plan is we're gonna get a couple of the pulls. I'm gonna show you guys the acceleration, all that good stuff, talk about it since it's all gotten fixed, and we'll just have a good time. So let's go ahead, get started with this video. Here we go. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead. We just got a full tank of gas, so we're gonna take it out on the highway. Maybe, we got stopped by a light. So we'll give it a minute, we'll be right back. Guys, finally got it. We actually got the lead car, which is good. So we're gonna go ahead and show how it pulls right here, and here we go. And as you can see, the car does get up and go. As I say a lot when I take videos on this car. That's one of my favorite things about it. It's not slow at all, and it sounds good. And if you have to get through traffic, and I'm going below the speed limit, so I'm not speeding, I can just navigate my way through. It's so easy in this car, and that's what I like. The plan is we're gonna get a couple of pool videos on the highway, and then we're gonna get a couple of exterior pool videos. I have a little spot that I know of that I can get those. So we'll put those kind of towards the end. For now, we're just gonna have a couple of highway clips. So we're gonna cut it off here. We'll be back. And you gotta love that traffic. Any of my people that are in the Atlanta area know what's up with this. You always get caught no matter where you're going. You think, well, you'll get there in time to where you're trying to go. Never happens. So we're gonna get some more pool videos soon, but you know, got stuck. What can I do? All right, so we'll go ahead and get a rolling pool right here. And that's my favorite thing. I already said this, I'll say it again. I just love how it pulls forward. It's not the fastest thing out there. Obviously, there's some stuff that will smoke me. But it navigates through traffic a lot better than most of these four-cylinder cars that don't have a lot of power. And I'm not hating on four-cylinder cars. Some of them can go really good. It's just this one, that naturally aspirated V8, it's just something about the sound and the way it feels when you go that's just, it's just fun. And this car also, what I love about it is it doesn't always make you feel like you have to go. Like right now I'm just cruising, I'm going below the speed limit, and it feels great. It's smooth, it's pretty quiet. Even with the new wheels I put on and the tires, it didn't really have much of an effect. I mean, it lightened up the steering a bit, but it still feels great, and I really do enjoy it. So we'll go and show again. We're at 60. We'll get up to 75 before we stop. And see, there we go. It just gets going, and I love that so much. Very fun car. I know a lot of people have interest in this car when I post the videos on it, and I still would recommend getting one as long as you know if there's stuff wrong with it. I would probably recommend getting a 2010 or later, just because 2009 was the first year, and I would not want anyone to deal with all the electrical issues I've dealt with in this thing. It's horrendous, takes forever, costs a ton of money if you don't have support from a good dealership like I did. So I would recommend someone getting one, or there's the R spec and you get the 5.0. That one would be fun too. Okay guys, we're gonna take it down some back roads now just to show off the handling. Obviously it's not gonna be anything crazy, but there is a bit of turns here, so you can see. Car handles very well. It is a bit on the heavier side because it's a bigger luxury car, but you can still get and go. And I'm not gonna go too fast because I don't want to get in trouble on this road, but the car does do well on roads like this. It's really quiet, as you can see. It's very relaxed too, and it's just a fun all-around car. But we're about to make our stop at Walmart, and we're gonna go look at some Hot Wheels. So looking forward to that. Let's get made it to Walmart. Want to show off. Got the car all cleaned up from the car meet I went to last night. Also, real quick, had to show off. Had a park next to the other Genesis, you know, Genesis gang. Whoever this is, I like your car. You probably will never see this video, but it's good. But let's go and look at some Hot Wheels, shall we? Walmart. All right, guys, we made it. As you can see, they barely have anything. I mean, they have all this stuff I don't really care about. They have cool ones down there. They have a couple here, but Nothing crazy. I mean, this is probably like the best thing right here is the F-Type, which is kind of cool, but I mean, it's not a whole lot of anything. We're gonna go and try to find the bin real quick, see if there's anything good around there. Yep, so we found the bin, and there's nothing really good. I mean, I already have this one. I already have most of them in here, so not too much good Hot Wheels going on. This Walmart gets a thumbs down. Stock is pretty low. I mean, it's obviously not low in here, but they're all either beat up or they're the boring ones that no one really wants. There was one good one, but of course someone opened it already, so of course that ruins that. And this one just has a ton of random stuff in it. Got one more store I may try, but we're probably just gonna get back to the car, so let's go do that. All right, guys, so we tried the Dollar Tree, and the Dollar Tree is actually better than Walmart. Got the Camaro, the El Camino, and we got the Barracuda. So we're gonna get these three because I don't have them, and they're pretty sick. Also, if you guys would be interested, I could possibly do a Hot Wheels giveaway on the channel. Let me know if you guys would like that. I have some cool ones I can give away, and also I can go find some cool ones. So y'all let me know. We're gonna get these ones and get back on the road. Hopping on the highway. So the rest of the video from here is going to be a couple of outside clips of the car going by. I'm gonna go to a spot that has a straight spot where I can get a few clips for that, so you can see what it looks like from the outside, and then we'll end it after that. So we're gonna go and head there now. Be back in just a second. Alright guys, that's gonna do it here for us. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. To the person that requested it, glad you requested it, glad you enjoy the car videos. I'll put out more if you'd like. If you have any more requests of any types of videos you would like to see, cars you'd like to see or anything, just let me know. Drop them down in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us on social media, Staying to Auto Reviews. We're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. If you're interested in a shirt, let me know. If you're interested in a possible giveaway for Hot Wheels, let me know. And like I said, let me know of any more videos. Comment your thoughts down below. If you have one of these cars, let me know how you enjoy it. Until the next video, I'll see you guys. Peace out.